to Young Engineers, and today we're going to be making a wooden katana. So first we took 2 pieces of wood, put glue on it, and put polymer in between to make it stronger. Okay, so the length of the blade is 60 centimeters, while the handle is only going to be 15. So we're going to cut the blade and the handle. So once we're done, we're going to also cut a line. So it'll be like a katana because it's going to be a blade. So let's get into this. Make sure to wear safety glasses while working with stuff that could make dust or any of those stuff. So we're done doing the thing. We've got the handle up here and we've got the blade. We still have this because we're going to need to be able. So we're going to have to draw around 2 centimeters of the line to show the sharpness of the blade like this. So you can actually see that it looks sharp, but it really isn't that sharp. So let's get into this. Okay, so now I'm just finding out where is 2 centimeters. So I can actually just get it ready. So this is going to be the start of the blade looking thing. So we can have it exactly, because when it's exactly, that's when it's going to be perfect on the line. About like that. That's about it. And then we just do a line. And that's going to be the blade, where the blade starts. So let's move on. Okay, so now we're going to use the saw to cut the sharp part. Always ask an adult to help you because this is not, and make sure to wear safety glasses mainly. So start.
Yes!
And boom! Our katana is cut. So that's gonna be, we're gonna start the blade now, then the handle, and the thing that goes over the handle, and then we're also gonna make a cover for it, because why not? Okay, so now we're gonna use a sander to get the blade right. So let's begin. Okay, so now we're done sanding. And now let's check it out. Okay. This looks like it would be a very good katana. And as you can see, we done it very thin, but it makes it look sharp. And we're gonna actually get a handle for this. That's what we're gonna be working on now. Okay, but before we do the handle, we might do some string or that. But before we do it, we need to, because we've sharpened this area, right? But we haven't sharpened here, like a katana is meant to. So we're just going to draw 2 centimeters, and then we're going to be able to sand it like this, so it actually can work. So we get our ruler here. We're going to find out 2 centimeters. We're going to do the sanding. We're going to cut out our handle of our katana using this weird saw thingy. So let's begin. Okay, so we're done it. So now all we're gonna have to do is polish it all, and we sanded this also, and we're gonna have to glue it on, and then we're gonna start making the handle of the katana, and it will be nearly done. So let's move on. So we sanded everything. So we sanded like the corners of here. Here's the handle. It's not perfect. It's our first time doing it, but I think it looks pretty good. And make sure to do like red, purple, or pink, because that's samurai colors. And there it is. We're going to polish it and all those, and then it'll be done. Now it's time to polish it. So I have to just do this. Make sure to have gloves on because it's polished, and then you just want to just do this. This is fresh polish, and so I'm just going to go like this all over the blade. I don't want to do the handle because then it will just ruin it. And boom, boom, and just go with this. And as you can see, it'll be kind of this browny color. Then I can just go onto this side and start the same thing and do it on the sides as well. And we also added some silver acrylic paint just to give it some more realistic look. As you can tell, it looks really real on camera, but really it's just metallic silver. So next, once it dries, we're going to start making the case for it that you just slide it in, and then I'll have my katana done. Whoop. That's it all. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is the finished katana. Really nice. The effect looks really real. So I'm going to just customize like the handle here and here. But if you don't want to miss any videos, so make sure to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell, and comment if anything else that we should do. So see you till the next video when we're making the case. Bye!